The Lamborghini Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 takes the legacy of the iconic model to new heights, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance. This supercar is not just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. In this video, we'll explore the features, exterior design, interior sophistication, and technological advancements that make the Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 a true marvel, followed by a final verdict. The features of the Lamborghini Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 are tailored to provide exceptional performance and precision. Its powerful engine delivers seamless power and acceleration, ensuring an adrenaline-filled driving experience. The advanced all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it capable of handling challenging road conditions with ease. The lightweight chassis, made with innovative materials, ensures agility and responsiveness, giving the driver ultimate control. The aerodynamics have been further refined, enhancing downforce and efficiency for superior road grip and fuel optimization. On the exterior, the Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 is a striking combination of sharp lines, bold curves, and a commanding stance. The sculpted hood, aggressive air intakes, and sleek side panels emphasize its sporty character. The lighting system, featuring futuristic LED and laser technology, creates a distinctive visual signature, especially at night. The rear design, with its prominent diffuser and quad exhaust tips, reflects power and precision. Every angle of this supercar exudes luxury and performance, making it an instant head-turner. Inside, the Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 combines luxury with a focus on driver engagement. The cockpit is designed to immerse the driver in a race-inspired environment. High-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather are used throughout, ensuring comfort and sophistication. The seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. The minimalist design of the center console enhances functionality, keeping the focus on the road. The Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 is packed with state-of-the-art technology that enhances both performance and convenience. The fully digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, providing real-time data at a glance. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphones, offering navigation, media, and connectivity features. Advanced driving aids and safety systems, including adaptive cruise control and precision braking, ensure a secure and enjoyable driving experience. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 represents the pinnacle of automotive innovation and design. Its blend of extraordinary performance, stunning aesthetics, and advanced technology makes it a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether you're chasing thrills on the track or cruising in style, the Huracán inverted exclamation mark N 2025 delivers an unmatched experience. This supercar isn't just a statement of luxury, it's a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.